Section 6. Building business dashboards. In video 1, we'll look at the types of business dashboard. This could be either an informative dashboard, an infographic, or a business driver. Again, we refer back to the Superstore template, the out-of-box workbook or dashboard. Firstly, we look at the informative dashboards. Again, great example here. Tells you what's going on, the sales, profit ratio, quantity, discount, sales per customer. And you can see a clear in the area graph used for each category. You can see there. Let's see if there's a highlight option being used. Could be. Let's see. And then we look at product. Product again. A very informative. But also can be a business driver, because you're saying that in a certain month, a certain type of, a certain category works best. And even with here, sales and profit by product, this could be a business driver, again, say what products are working best across the corporate, the home office, or the consumer categories. Same again with customers. So in the customer analysis, you can see from here, if you click on the dot, it could be informative or a business driver, where we're finding out here that Patrick Jones, which is the dot in the corner, is making a lot of money in sales and then making a lot of profit. So profit ratio being 50%. You can really look at your quadrants down here and say, well, who's underperforming, by how much by. Literally tells you a beautiful visual story. And same at the top there. What I want to do now is cast your eyes on a infographic, non-business infographic, kind of personal to me. So I'll just quickly point it out. So here we have an infographic. So this infographic is inspired by a Netflix documentary, whereby all I've done is I've taken all the components from websites and Excel spreadsheets, added some icons, done a bar chart with some annotated marks. So you can see from here, when we go into the design view, each one of these things here, and we go to the sheet, make a wonderful infographic just by using the shape on the mark shelf. Got a whole list of shapes in my Tableau repository, and I can use any one of them. Add some visual context by adding the type. So you got the type here. So type comes from here. No bail means jail. Trials delayed, plead guilty, etc., etc. Literally gives you power. Same thing again. I've got a URL action here. So you look at the dashboard actions, and you can see from there, stop solitary, which is the URL action. You can go from there to there, and that same down here. You've got the bar charts. You got the annotated. So if we go to this particular sheet, you can see there's a mark on there. All this is if you right click and you edit, you can see from here that there is the mark, and you can edit the annotation. So all these are brilliant examples. So you have an informative dashboard, as we have in the Superstore sales template. Again, in Superstore sales, we have a business driver. And then we have something as beautiful as this, where we have an infographic. Same can be done in business. If you're going to do a PDF or a PowerPoint, you can just as easily have all your factual evidence and make something quite stunning.